Hello, in this Python video we are going to start networking and just whip up a simple server, and in the next tutorial we'll be extending it via a client. So to do the server we just need to import the socket module. Now we need to actually create a server socket, and this is going to be equal to socket.socket, and this takes a couple of parameters. The first one is socket.af underscore inet, comma, socket dot sock underscore stream, and now we need to get the local name of the local machine. Host equals socket dot get host name, get host name, and I spelled socket wrong. Let's put socket. Okay, we're now going to port quadruple 9, server socket dot bind, and we're going to bind it with a host and a port. Again, a lot of this might think, what is this? Become more clear as we progress in this network part of this series, especially once we whip up the client as well. So just bear with us. Server socket.listen. So this is how many requests we want to queue up, and I'm going to put 10. Put 5 if you want to. So while true. So this just forces this loop to run. We need to establish a connection. So we'll do client socket address equals server socket dot accept. And now we're going to print, just saying connection, should be quotation mark, connection from, and we'll just say str address. Close the final bracket. Now we need to send a message, and the message is going to be thanks for connecting. And we'll just put some new line characters as well. So \r\n, so return line. And now we're going to do client socket.send message.encode. So we're going to encode into an ASCII style format. ASCII. And finally, we just do client socket, very similar to the database. We just close it. Save that. Then let's see if we get any errors. So run module. No errors. That's fine. Because I've already run it, you might get a little pop-up on your system saying, do you want to allow it, in the firewall? Just click allow. That's fine. It's just our local thing. We know what we're doing with it. We know where it's coming from. So like I said, it's going to become, more obvious what's happening. You're going to understand it more over the next video when we actually do a client which actually connects to this. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you very soon in the next awesome tutorial.